KADENA is a hybrid blockchain platform that combines the security and decentralization of proof of work with the scalability and speed of the directed acyclic graph algorithm. KADENA combines these mechanisms to solve the trilemma of blockchain, which involves achieving high throughput, security, and decentralization at the same time. KADENA also offers a powerful smart contract language called Pact, which makes developing safer and easier smart contracts a breeze. In today's video, we'll be shining our light beam on KADENA, discussing what it's all about, how it works, its KDA token, and other interesting talking points. If you're a crypto enthusiast or developer, you'd agree that a project that aims to solve the blockchain trilemma is one you want to keep your eye on. So be sure to stay until the end of this video to get all the information on KADENA and decide if it's the right fit for your portfolio. Without taking any more time, let's get started. KADENA was founded in 2016 by two former JP Morgan blockchain experts, Will Martino and Stuart Popejoy. Will was also part of the team that created Juno, a private blockchain for enterprise use. They realized that Juno had some limitations, such as low scalability, high energy consumption, and a lack of interoperability. They decided to create a new blockchain that would overcome these challenges and offer a better solution for both enterprises and individuals. This project was KADENA. KADENA's main feature is its hybrid consensus mechanism, which combines proof of work and directed acyclic graph. Proof of work is the oldest and most secure consensus mechanism in blockchain, which relies on miners to validate transactions and create new blocks. However, proof of work has some drawbacks, such as low scalability, high energy consumption, and susceptibility to 51% attacks. On the other hand, directed acyclic graph, or DAG, is a newer and faster consensus mechanism that does not rely on blocks or miners, but rather on a network of nodes that validate transactions by referencing previous transactions. DAG has some advantages over proof of work, such as high scalability, low energy consumption, and resistance to 51% attacks. However, DAG also has some disadvantages, such as low security, a lack of finality, and vulnerability to spam attacks. KADENA combines proof of work and DAG in a unique way. It uses proof of work to secure the network and DAG to scale the network. KADENA's proof of work is based on Bitcoin's algorithm, but with some modifications to make it more efficient and flexible. Also, KADENA's DAG is based on Hashgraph's algorithm, but with some improvements to make it more robust and reliable. KADENA's consensus mechanism allows it to achieve high performance and security without compromising decentralization or energy efficiency. But how does KADENA achieve this? By using a novel concept called Chainweb. Chainweb is a network of multiple proof-of-work chains that are connected by DAG bridges. Each chain has its own hash rate, difficulty level, and block time. Each chain also references other chains through Merkle roots, which are cryptographic proofs that link blocks across chains. This way, each chain validates not only its own transactions, but also the transactions of other chains. It ultimately creates a web of chains that are independent and mutually reinforcing. Chainweb allows KADENA to scale linearly with the number of chains. The more chains there are, the more transactions per second KADENA can process. Currently, KADENA has 20 chains running in parallel, which gives it a throughput of about 480,000 transactions per second. This makes it a super fast blockchain, ahead of top blockchains like Cardano, Polkadot, and even Solana. However, KADENA is not stopping there and plans to increase the number of chains to possibly 1,000 in the future. If it successfully pulls this off, KADENA would have a throughput of about 24 million transactions per second. This would make KADENA one of the fastest, if not the fastest, blockchains in the world. But what about energy efficiency? Isn't proof of work wasteful and harmful to the environment? Well, not in this case. KADENA claims that its proof of work is much more energy efficient than Bitcoin's or other proof of work networks. This is because KADENA uses a variable difficulty adjustment algorithm that adapts to network conditions and prevents harsh rate spikes or drops. This way, KADENA maintains a stable and optimal hash rate that consumes less energy than other blockchains. So far in this video, KADENA has showed itself to be a blockchain powerhouse that even rivals other well-established blockchains. But what about smart contracts? How does KADENA handle them? Well, this is where KADENA's second key feature comes into play. We're talking about what KADENA calls a Pact. Pact is a smart contract language that is designed specifically for KADENA's hybrid blockchain platform. Pact is different from other smart contract languages in several ways. First of all, Pact is simple and easy to learn. Pact is based on Lisp, which is one of the oldest and most expressive programming languages. Pact has a minimal syntax and clear semantics, which makes it easy to read and write. Pact also has a built-in interactive development environment, or IDE, that allows developers to test and debug their smart contracts in real time. Next, Pact is safe and secure. Pact supports formal verification, which is a mathematical method to prove the correctness and security of smart contracts. Formal verification can prevent bugs, errors, and vulnerabilities that can lead to costly losses or attacks. Pact also has a built-in module system that allows developers to reuse and upgrade their smart contracts without breaking the existing ones. Finally, Pact is interoperable and flexible. Pact can interact with other blockchains and protocols through cross-chain transfers and bridges. Pact can also support multiple programming paradigms, such as functional, imperative, or declarative. Pact can also support user-defined governance models, such as DAOs, federations, or hybrids. With these unique features, Pact enables a wide range of use cases for KADENA's blockchain platform, such as decentralized finance, NFTs, payments, supply chain, healthcare, and more. Some examples of projects that are using Pact are KADENA Swap, which is a decentralized exchange that allows users to swap tokens across multiple blockchains, such as KADENA, Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cosmos. Flare, which is a platform that enables smart contract functionality for XRP Ledger using KADENA's technology. And Marmalade, which is a social media platform that rewards users for creating and sharing content using KADENA's crypto gas station feature. Speaking of crypto gas station, this is KADENA's third key feature. Crypto Gas Station is a service that allows businesses to eliminate transaction fees for their customers. Transaction fees are one of the main barriers to the mass adoption of blockchain applications, as they can be unpredictable, volatile, and expensive. Crypto Gas Station solves this problem by allowing businesses to pay for the gas fees on behalf of their customers using KADENA's native token, KDA. This way, customers can enjoy a seamless and frictionless user experience without worrying about gas fees. Now that we've covered the main features of KADENA, let's talk about its native token, KDA. KDA is a utility token that powers the KADENA network and enables various use cases and applications. KDA has a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens, of which about 245 million are in circulation. The KDA supply is distributed through mining and allocations. First, let's talk about mining. Mining is the process of validating transactions and creating new blocks on the KADENA network. Miners receive block rewards in KDA for their work, as well as transaction fees or gas payments for the execution of smart contracts. The block reward is readjusted every 6 months, with roughly half of the remaining mineable tokens issued as block rewards every 20 years. This means that KADENA is mineable for approximately 120 years, making its token model fall between a strictly inflationary system and a capped or deflationary system. Yet again, combining the best of both worlds. For allocations. Allocations are the tokens that are allocated in the Genesis block, which is the first block of the KADENA network. The allocations are divided into 3 categories: investors, contributors, and platform reserves. Investors are the early backers of the project who provided funding and support. Contributors are the team members, advisors, and partners who contributed to the development and growth of the project. And Platform Reserve is the fund that is used for further development, research, marketing, and community building of the project. The tokens from allocations become available gradually over time, creating stability and sustainability for the network. Now, KADENA is not working in isolation. It is collaborating with various platforms and tools to provide a complete decentralized infrastructure for its users. Some of the partners and integrations that KADENA has are Chainlink, Polkadot, Cosmos, CoinMetro, Binance, and Coinbase. These are just some of the examples of KADENA's ecosystems and partners. There are many more that were not mentioned here. KADENA's ecosystem and partners show that KADENA is not only a blockchain platform, but also a blockchain network that connects with other networks. KADENA is a very impressive and ambitious project that has a lot of potential to revolutionize the blockchain industry. KADENA has a unique and innovative approach to solving the trilemma of blockchain. by combining proof of work and directed acyclic graph in a hybrid consensus mechanism. However, KADENA is not without its challenges and risks. KADENA still needs to prove its scalability, security, and decentralization in the real world, as it faces competition from other blockchains that offer similar or better solutions. KADENA also needs to increase its brand awareness and recognition among the crypto community and beyond, as it is still relatively unknown and underrated. Along with that, KADENA needs to attract more developers and users to its platform and applications, as it is still in its early stages of development and adoption. Overall, however, we believe KADENA is a very promising and exciting project that deserves more attention and support from the crypto community. We see KADENA having a bright future ahead of it as it continues to innovate and improve its blockchain platform. Personally, we're very interested in KADENA and will keep an eye on its progress and updates. And, as always, we will keep you in the loop. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos.